Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Gemini, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards for your general energy, Gemini. We have Key, Lady, and Cross. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who has seen a lot, you have sacrificed a lot, you have faced a lot of challenging circumstances. You have tried hard, worked hard, put in a lot of efforts, and even today, in your circumstances, you may have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, a lot of burdens on you. So maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have too many worries on your head. So you have done everything, you have faced a lot of trials, and you have, sacrificed a lot for your life, for the people you love. And today maybe you are trying to find trying to find comfort with some kind of belief, or you may be into some spiritual practices. So you really find comfort in all that, guys, taking mind of these troubles or challenges that you are seeing today. But your difficulty is not going to last long, Gemini. So in your relationship or in your career situation, first let's see for your relationship, guys, because we have one card here. So it says heart. So maybe in this relationship, all your troubles or whatever you have done, the sacrifices you have made, is the reason you are going to be extremely happy today, guys. You will find the person who loves you, who wants to commit to you, and with the past relationships, whatever was missing and whatever was the reason for some breakup or anything that happened in the past, that missing thing, you are going to know what it is and you are going to find it, guys. Maybe if it was trust, you find that trust and love with this person, with this new person. So this person is someone you have hoped for, you have prayed for. They are coming towards you, guys. So you are simply happy for the way things are going today. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. Maybe someone is seeing you as the person of their dreams or whatever they have prayed for. So they are coming to propose to you, or you are going to propose to someone. So whatever troubles you had, guys, all that is coming to an end very soon, Gemini. And this new love is reaching you. Or maybe if you are already in a connection, you may see a better understanding with this person. So whatever was the reason for some arguments or misunderstandings, you will be able to resolve all that in your present relationship, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, it's a dog. So you are someone working really hard, doing your best, trying your best, and you are a very honest person with honest intentions, dedication, and devotion. That may be the reason all your troubles are ending very soon, Gemini, and things are going to go in a very positive way in your career and in your relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Gemini, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax, because in your circumstances today, it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship. And patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and it is sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy. You have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances, you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And If you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys? You can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.